What's good, fam? It's your boy Gels, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're gonna talk about the Waves one knob filter. Let's go. Like I said, in this video, we're gonna talk about the great Waves one knob filter, man. This is a very easy plug-in to use, man. Like the title says, it's literally one knob. You turn this one knob and it makes a crazy filter effect. So enough of me talking. Let's head over to the computer and check this thing out. All right, fam. So here we go. I have an instance of the one knob filter right here. It's pretty much self-explanatory when you're dealing with this whole one knob series. There's not much to do but this one knob right here that you see right here. There, you can switch it from none, the resonance of none, moderate, high, and extreme. These are pretty much the only settings on here. I like to keep mine moderate or high. I really don't like to do extreme. So what I'll do, I'll play this beat right now with it on 10, not really doing anything so you guys can hear it. So there it is on 10. And with this one knob filter, I like to mainly use on beats or instruments. I don't really use it on vocals. It doesn't really do anything for vocals for me. But this gives that underwater effect, kind of made famous by Drake. So let's go here. I'll go from 10 all the way to 0. So here 10 is none, 0 is maximum. So let's go. Here's 10. Here's 9. Not much difference. Here's 8. You can start to hear it just a tad. Here's 7. 6. 5. This is kind of my sweet spot right here when I'm doing that underwater effect. And we go to 4. Go to 3. There's 2. 1. And 0. It pretty much does nothing. Takes all the volume away. Like I said, between 5 and 4, that's my sweet spot. Like I said, between 5 and 4, that's my sweet spot when I'm dealing with this one knob filter. Again, let me show you guys exactly what it's doing here. Let me back this beat up just a little bit. So here we go. That's like the sweet spot right there. So what I'll do, sometimes I'll automate it, or the great thing about Studio One, you could just pick certain parts of your audio and add the plugin into that. And I'll put that effect on, and then I'll boost that sound just a tad, just to make it sound, just match the loudness. So let me do that here. Got this portion of the beat right here. So here we go. Hold on a second. We go right here. That added to the whole thing. There we go. We just added it to that selection. And in order to do that in Studio One, you just hit Alt and it'll add it to just a section of sound. So let me show you that right here. So here it is. That's without it. It's the section of beat with it. So like I said, with that, I just like to boost it just a tad. You could hit X and put some crossfades in there just to make it a smooth transition within Studio One. That's how I use this one knob filter. Yes, sir. Hey, I know you guys love that Waves one knob filter just as much as I do. It's literally one knob. You turn that one knob and you get that fire filter effect, man. Are you guys using the Waves one knob filter? Let me know in the comments below how you guys are using it. Hey, do me a favor. If you think somebody would need this video or would like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this. Also, check out my website, mixedbygels.com, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm gone.